We out here, man. Getting a little troll on. Dinosaur Point, San Luis Reservoir. Let's get into some stripers, man. It's gonna be a nice day. Got live minnow on one, swim bait on the other. Let's see what we can get into, man. Got me and Anthony out here to get him in. We got one. No. No, I don't know those guys.
Oh, okay.
No.
That's the most kayaks I've seen over. We both have kayaks too.
Oh yeah. What do you guys have? What kind of kayaks you guys use?
I use an Old Town.
Oh, okay. Nice. Nice.
Now, one of my friends, he pulls his grandson around, and the grandson has an orange one. I thought, well, it might be it.
Oh, okay.
That's why we.
Look at that. Lost my tail. It's all right. Nice little keeper size. Good eater. Not bad. We'll take it. So paddle tail on that one is the skinny dipper and sexy shad color on a 1/2 ounce head. And this one, as you can see, got us a lively little minnow nose hooked. He looks pretty dead to me. I mean, he's got a little kick in him. Put him in the water. He's got a little twitch. I think we could rock him. Let's get this thing turned around. And I didn't bring any other paddle tails on my boat, but my son's got one, so we'll catch up to him. This thing turned around, see if we can get us a few more. Yeah, she's swimming good. Yeah, brother, you're ready to go, huh? Ready to get eaten. Surprised that striper didn't take you.